Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card casing. I say the catalog because it's on online exclusive. So we're going to be casing one of their Stampin' Up! Samples. So we're going to be using the Splash of Sparkle Specialty Designer Series paper. This is such a fun pack of paper. We're also going to be using the Lovely Arrangements bundle. Okay, I know I've been using this a lot lately, but I love it. Okay, so that is some of the products we're going to be using. And of course, before we get started, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. I have our Celebrate Spring Paper Pumpkin Kit that's going to make 9 Easter and Spring Day cards. Shy Shamrock is our stamping spot. We have the Beautiful Blooms add-on dies available that coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next up, we have our bonus days. It is time to redeem those coupons that you earned last month. So get your emails or your photo that you took, the screenshot, wherever you wrote your coupon codes down, and get ready to redeem them, okay? You have until February 28th to redeem those coupons. You don't want to miss out. Next, we have our product of the month. This is going to be every month there's a new product, so you can get this exclusive product for only $5 when you spend $75 or more in a single order, and that's before shipping and tax, after all of your rewards and discounts. Okay, next up we have our Stampin' Rewards program, where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. You redeem rewards on future orders and track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account. Rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I've stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking only $35 for each box. Shipping is included, so you're basically paying like $12 for about $150 to $200 worth of product, okay? So if you're interested, you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. All right, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on this card. So the first thing I'm going to do is some stamping. I have some Secret Sea ink here. We're going to stamp a flower. One of the flowers from our stamp set. We're going to stamp that right there in the corner. Next, I have some Timid Tiger here. We're going to stamp leaves. Some leaves. So I'm going to stamp once right there and go there. Stamp there again. Go here. Stamp one more time there. Go about right there. Okay. I did that because one of these I probably mess up die cutting it. Okay, so that is that done. Now we have a piece of basic white. This is basic white as well, but we have another piece of basic white that we're going to stamp our sentiment on, and I've already die cut this using our dies. It's one of the sentiment labels, and we're going to stamp thank you and azure afternoon. Try to get this right in the center here, just like that. That is beautiful. Okay, and before we put this away, I want to do some coloring of our flower. So I have 3 blends here. I have the light and dark balmy blue. Then I also have the light azure afternoon. And I'm just going to color everywhere in balmy blue. Just a rough color. This is the light. Just doing a little rough coloring. Just quick and easy, sloppy, sloppy. Then I'm going to take the dark, and I'm just going to kind of go up from the center, like so, like that, and like this and like that. Just roughly. Then we're going to take our azure afternoon, do some dots here in the center, and this will lighten up as it dries. And we're just gonna go over our little flower petals here, the lines in the petals. Do a little darker in the center, those dots, and that's it. Okay, and I would take all the coordinating dies, this one and this one, and die cut this out, but because we're on a video, I did it magically beforehand, and I have them already ready to go. So boom, there you go. We have it ready to go. So let me show you what else I die cut ahead of time. This right here, where did I just put the dies? This is part of the designer series paper, and I just die cut this one here using that, and I've already gone ahead and put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. Then I also used these two dies with some Azure Afternoon cardstock and die cut these leaves right here. Then I took a piece of our designer series paper from the, what is it called? Splash of Sparkle? Splash of Sparkles. And this is part of the designer series paper pack. And I used this die here to make these little holes in the paper. And this piece, as I wrote on the back, is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. And we're gonna take that and adhere it to some basic white. That is 4 7/8 by 3 5/8. So let me get my Stampin' Seal here. And I think I probably want to get some liquid glue for this. I should have, because I need to get in all these little skinny areas. Plus I need to be able to wiggle this around to make sure I get it in the right spot. So let's see if I can line this up, because it's just a hair bigger. Okay, that's pretty good. Then I have some Azure Afternoon that is 5 1/4 by 4 that we're gonna adhere this to. So let's go ahead and put that on now. Yeah. Go ahead and put that on just like that. And while we have this out, let me go ahead and get our inside. This is the 3 1/2 by 4 3/4 basic white, 5 by 3 3/4 Azure Afternoon, and then our designer series paper for the inside is just a scrap. It's about 1/2 inch. And let me see. That's pretty good. That's pretty good amount of adhesive on there. We're just gonna put this right at the bottom of our white here, or the side. No, the bottom. It's the bottom. Let me get some scissors and cut off this extra bit. Then we're gonna adhere this to our Azure Afternoon and add it to our card base, which is Petal Pink, 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. So we have that. I'm gonna get this put on the inside. Ooh. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. Put that on the inside of our card here. I love these colors together. Then we can add this to our card base. Now, the problem is, I don't know which way I want this to go. Do I want it this way or this way? Let's see, if I put it this way. I think I want it. I'm gonna put it this way. Why not? Why not? Okay, so now we have that there. So let's go ahead and remove the backings from all of our dimensionals. Okay, so I have those all removed. And I'm just gonna set it down. I'm gonna try to do the middle. It might not be the middle. Is it straight though? Let's try to get it on here straight. Even if it's not in the middle, that it's not straight, but I pushed it down, so that is where it's gonna live. Okay, so now we're gonna put down our other elements, and I really probably should have had some liquid glue. My liquid glue ran out and I didn't replace it, so we're gonna be just using what is this called? The Stampin' Seal. So I'm gonna put this about right here, like that. Then we're gonna take these leaves. These are a little bit more delicate, so be gentle, Shauna. I hope I'm staying in frame. I gotta be gentle with these. And I'm gonna put this about right here, like that. Then we're gonna, I think I wanna pop this flower up. Even though this is already popped up, I think I wanna pop this flower up. Well, I'll see. I'll put that right there. So we have our other leaves here. See, this is the only thing I don't like about the seal. It gets in those little crevices there. And we're gonna put this about right here, out here, maybe. Back it up, back it up. I gotta make sure it's gonna go under the flower. We don't want it sticking too far out from the flower. But about like that. Is that good? Yeah. Then we'll take this little leaf here. Ooh, careful with the leaf. And we're gonna put this one about right there. Okay. Do I want to add this on dimensionals or no? I think I'm gonna keep it flat. Keep it flat, Shauna. Why not? And we're gonna see. I want to make sure this has enough adhesive on it because this is going to be holding everything else down just in case that doesn't have enough adhesive, right? Let's see. How do I want this to go? Let's do it like this. I want it more up though. About right there. That's good. Okay. So now we're going to take our sentiment here. And I do want to put a dimensional on the back of that. So let me get a dimensional here. I just need one on the end here. The rest of it will get some Stampin' Seal. And we're going to put this about right here. About like this. About like that. That's good. Okay. Now we're going to add our bling, which are the Sparkle Dot Essentials. I have 2 packs in here, so you don't get this many. You just get 1 sheet, but I have 2 packs, and I like to combine them. Take your pick tool. Okay. This is Pretty in Pink, Petunia Pop, Garden Green, and Night of Navy. Oh, goodness. I totally just pulled that out. I meant to pull off the cap. Okay, so let's see. Where do we want to put our bling? I know I'm looking right here. I want to put something there. Let's put something here. One more can go. Let's put this one right here in the center of that circle, just like that. And that is our card done, casing the online exclusive sample. Isn't that pretty? So I did make some changes, of course, because I don't usually case exactly, but yeah, I made a lot of changes in colors and product. But that's it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.